Hello everyone, welcome. Let's dive into understanding overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. This video will guide you through OEE, a crucial metric for optimizing production and efficiency. OEE is a key metric to understand how well your equipment is utilized. It measures the percentage of planned production time that is truly productive. OEE helps identify areas where you are losing time and efficiency, allowing for targeted improvements and increased output. Equipment often doesn't operate at 100% due to hidden losses. Let's uncover what these are. Unexpected stops, reduced speed, and production of defective products all contribute to these hidden losses. The consequences include loss of profit, decreased quality, dissatisfied customers, and low staff motivation. OEE isn't just for factory floors. It's applicable in many sectors. This includes IT, the service sector, and can even be analogized to personal effectiveness. OEE is calculated as availability times performance times quality. OEE is a comprehensive indicator that measures how effectively equipment is used. Availability takes into account any downtime and measures equipment operating time versus planned time. This includes accounting for both unexpected breakdowns and planned maintenance. Performance measures how fast the equipment runs relative to its maximum theoretical speed. Performance losses include reduced speed and short stops, or micro pauses. Quality measures the proportion of quality products out of the total production volume. This component accounts for losses due to defects, scrap, or items needing rework. Let's walk through a practical example of how to calculate OEE with given data. We'll use planned time, downtime, max speed, actual output, and defect count to calculate availability, performance, and quality, then OEE. The 6 big losses are common areas of inefficiency that affect OEE. These losses are categorized under availability, performance, and quality. Identify each in your processes. It's crucial to find and understand the losses specific to your own context. Select a process or equipment. Review its last period of inefficiency, and try to identify the big losses. Understanding how the components interact is essential for OEE analysis. OEE is a product, not a sum, because improving one component can impact others. For example, increasing speed may increase scrap. Use OEE as a compass for improvement, helping detect losses and prioritize efforts. This leads to increased profit, higher quality, and overall operational efficiency. The next step is to start measuring OEE, even if approximately. This first step is important. Share your experience, discuss typical losses in your field, and suggest steps to reduce these. Let's have a discussion in the comments.